grade B section. My school name is Bharati Vidyalaya, Nursery and Primary School, Edipadi. These are my ring finger. What are these?
They are your ring fingers.
What is this?
It's your right ring finger.
What is this?
It's your left ring finger.
What are those?
They are my thumb finger.
What is that?
It's my right thumb finger.
What is that?
It's my left thumb finger.
What are those?
They are 13 little fingers.
What is that?
This is right little finger.
What is that?
This is left little finger.
What are these?
They are Ritika's 3 little fingers.
What is this?
This is right little finger.
What is this?
Is her right little finger.
Thank you, ma'am.